Welcome to my channel. How to change router IP address. Open your computer or laptop. Open a web browser of your choice. Enter the default IP address of your router, 192.168.0.1 or similar, in the search bar and press the Enter key. On the next screen, enter your username and password to log into router settings. From the next screen, go to Basic LAN Setup and change only the last two numbers of the IP address in LAN IP address field. Note, in these last two fields, you can use any number between 1 and 254. Caution: restrict IP address change only to the third and fourth fields, x, 192.168.11.xxx. Making changes to first and second fields can lead to network conflicts while connecting with your main network. Click on Save Changes and note down the new IP address of your router and restart the router. After changing router IP address, you may find your computer and phone not connecting to the internet. This can be easily fixed by restarting your devices and allowing them to re-establish connection with the router. Thanks for watching.